Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. I'm making a video this morning about pancakes. I love pancakes. How about you? I'm going to start with 1 egg. I'm going to use the pre-mixed stuff out of a box because it's simple and easy. Move these away. We got the whole grain stuff, which is supposed to be the healthy stuff. I don't know. But we're going to use a little bit of it. This one's a 1/4 cup measure. And I take 2 of those. And then I'm going to use the buttermilk one. This is the one that's loaded with sugar. The one my wife likes. And then I'm going to take another half cup of that stuff. So we got a whole cup altogether of mix, 2 different kinds. And according to the box, we're supposed to put 2/3 of a cup of water or milk. I prefer milk because it gives it better taste. Same as this one. They both have the same amount of water in it, but I don't really believe it. So I'm just gonna put in. We'll start with 2/3, a whole cup, maybe half a cup, 3/4 of a cup. Pour some of it in. Give it a mix. I'm gonna use this fancy bin thing to mix it with. I think it works really well, but it gets really clogged up. See? It's clogged up like that. I'll put some more milk in, try and loosen it up. I've already turned on the pan, so it's getting nice and hot. They say 400 degrees should be good enough to cook them. I'm just going to keep mixing it. And they get this clump in the middle. And you gotta bang it on the side to get it out. A big glob of dough. Mix it in a bit more. Since there's only 2 of us here, me and my wife and the dog, I make enough for 2 of us. Holy cow. Doesn't want to come off. Pour the rest of the milk in there. That should make it thin enough. Cook it decently. There we go. It's too thick and it ends up really tasting like dough when you cook it. So it won't fluff up. So put the egg in it there too to give it a bit of leavening effect. That's pretty good. That's enough. See what happens. Okay, we'll let it sit for a second while I go over here and deal with the pan. I have this handy dandy oil sprayer I'm going to use because I really think it works well. It only doesn't give you too much. It's just enough. So just spray it in the pan. Running out of oil too. That should be enough. There we go. Some on the grip. Some on the counter. Better mix it in. When I cook them, I make big pancakes. Like, fills the whole plate. Put it in the sink. We're going to use a 1/4 cup scoop for each pancake. You're going to make tiny little pancakes this time. Set it over here so you can still see it. We can't really see it cooking, can you? But that's okay. It doesn't take very long. You gotta wait for them to bubble up. I don't know if you can see the bubbles or not. La-ti-da-ti-da. Okay. That's pretty good. Hang on a second. I'll flip them over. Damn. I don't have a flipper. Hang on a second. I can't see. Put it in the dishwasher. It's getting a little too hot. It's getting smoky in here. Okay. There you go. That's the first incarnation of our pancakes. They're a little bit overdone, but that's okay. Pan is a little too hot. See how it looks on the bottom. Ooh, they're almost done. Like that. I'm gonna flip them one more time. That one anyway. Have to grab a plate. Got a nice plate here. That's 2. Here are the first 2 from my wife. Put it over there. Get these out. Little burnt pieces. Where's the oil? More oil. I think would be good. I turned the heat on the pan down so it shouldn't burn this time. Put it over there. And wait for these ones to cook.
A lot of silence today. Ambulance.
Lots of sirens outside today. Could see them from our apartment going by. I don't know what happened, but people have accidents on Christmas Day too, and fires and whatnot. Hopefully everything's okay. We wouldn't want to have too many bad things happen on Christmas Day because it's supposed to be a happy time of year. See? Standing here waiting for the pancakes to cook. I know it's not very exciting, but I know. That's okay. The good part's coming up. The eating. That's my favorite part. Flip them over. They taste good, hon?
Yes.
Nice and fluffy.
Yep.
Well, at least she likes them. That's a good thing, right? These ones.
Still that you can do more on.
Need a look. Need more cooking on the other side. Do you want another one?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Not going to be any left for me.
I'm going for that.
It's alright, I can make more. Here. Give me your plate.
So there won't be any left for you though.
Worry about it. You get another one. I'll make more. I get my own plate. Here's my plate. And there's one for me. I'll make some more. Got enough here for 2 more, I think. Where's Seymour?
He just came out.
Really?
He's over here though.
My chicken dog. He hides in the bedroom when the dishwasher is on. I gotta get a little spatula scraper thingy and scrape the bottom of the bowl out. See, I could have done it from scratch, but this was a lot easier because it's going to be a short video. It's taking forever to cook. Flip them. I'll show you my pancakes. And there's one on the plate. All right. Put the plate over here so you guys can see it. Turn off the heat. So we're done cooking them. Done. So I get 3. She got 3, everything's happy. We go over to the table and we'll eat it. I'm going to eat it. Damn, need my stand.